Hello guys, how are you? My name is Olimpio Tuns, and in this video we'll talk about the euro versus the US dollar. But first of all, please take a short moment to read this disclaimer. Thank you guys. I want to remind you that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will receive a notification. You will be notified when I will post other video analyses or when I'll host live trading webinars. Thank you. So let's start with the daily chart. You can see that we had an extended range here, an extended sideways movement. The price has failed here to make a valid breakdown here below 1.0777. All these false breakdowns and the failure to retest at least this lower medium line, it has signaled that we may have an upside breakout, an upside valid breakout from this range, extended range, and the price it could increase further in the upcoming period. Okay, so here we had another false breakout here above 1.0990, above 1.1 psychological level, also above this medium line of the orange descending pitchfork. We had a retreat, a minor retreat, but if we'll use here an important static support, we had here a low, an important low, just a moment, 1.0884. You can see that the price was rejected by the medium line by 1.0990. It has decreased, it has only retested, it has registered only a false breakdown here below this level 1.0884. Rebound, bullish momentum. This candle here, it has signaled that most likely will have a valid upside breakout and the price, the euro versus the US dollar, will continue to increase. So this breakout here from this extended range, it has signaled a potential increase at least towards 1.1200 psychological level. Also, if we'll take this from here, this range, you can see that 1.12 psychological level represents an important upside target. Okay, so also we could use as a potential target also this level R1, 1.1243, also the upper medium line, but only if the price will make a valid breakout here above 1.12, 1.1215. Okay, so very important. It remains to see how the price will react here when it will touch this resistance, this static resistance. I've drawn here this descending pitchfork, this orange descending pitchfork, to catch this downside movement. Okay, so I've selected 3 points, 3 pivots, 1, 2, 3. You can see that the price, it has decreased, it has failed here to stabilize right below the lower medium line. It has rebounded, it has recovered, it has made here, it has registered only a false breakout here above the medium line. It has decreased again, but as I've said earlier, the failure to retest at least this line, or also to approach to reach this low here, it has signaled that the downside movement could be complete and that a sideways movement could develop in the short term. So the valid breakout here above this medium line, it has signaled that we may have an important increase. It has signaled, it has confirmed a bullish momentum in the short term towards 1.12, towards this level 1.1243, and also towards the upper medium line of this descending pitchfork. Also here, the valid breakout above this medium line, another higher high here, jump above this high 1.1016. It has confirmed a reversal in the short term. Okay, so here, as long as the price, it was traded right below this medium line, the pressure, the bearish pressure, it was high, but the valid breakout here, it has confirmed a reversal in the short term, an important upside movement. So right now, euro versus the US dollar is bullish, is strongly bullish. The next target here, also at R1, also at the upper medium line. So the currency pair, the price, it will continue to increase in the upcoming period if the dollar index will continue to drop. You can see here on the daily chart that the dollar index, it has moved sideways. It was trapped within this triangle here. It has tested, retested, it has registered only false breakouts above this upper medium line of this descending pitchfork. Also here, this aggressive breakdown from this range, from this triangle, valid breakout here, breakdown, it has signaled a further decrease. So as long as the dollar index will continue to drop, the euro versus the US dollar will continue to increase. So you can use this correlation between the euro versus the US dollar with the US dollar index. So when the index drops, the currency pair increases, and when the index increases, the currency pair drops. Okay, so here on the US dollar index on the daily chart, you can see that the price has registered also a valid breakdown here below the 61.8% retracement level. So if the price will stabilize right below this support, it should continue to drop, and that's why the currency pair, it could make a valid breakout here above 1.12 and to continue towards R1, towards the upper medium line, towards R2. Okay, very important. Let's take a look also on a lower time frame, such as a 4-hour chart or also 1-hour chart. You can see here that the price has moved sideways on the short term. It was an accumulation before this aggressive breakout, upside breakout. So we had here an important resistance, static resistance at 1.1144. The price has decreased, it has registered only a false breakout above this level, this resistance, this static resistance. It has decreased again, but very important, only a drop right below this low, 1.1080. It would have signaled a potential major corrective phase. So on the lower time frame, on the 1-hour chart, you can see that we had an accumulation, a breakout, an aggressive breakout. Maybe the price will come back to retest this broken resistance, static resistance at 1.1144 before it will resume this bullish movement, this upside movement. Okay, so if you want, you could use also an uptrend line, and as long as the price is traded right above this uptrend line, the perspective, the outlook is bullish, and the price, it should reach at least this resistance, also R1, also, as I said, this upper medium line of the major descending pitchfork. Okay, that's it, guys, for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, you can give me a like or a share. Okay, guys, see you soon with other analyses and when I'll host live trading webinars. Bye bye.